Okay, now what we're doing is we're putting up one of these Cobra surveillance cameras, and I thought I'd go ahead and video it to show you how I'm doing it anyway. First of all, you've got to decide where you want to position it, and I'm going to position it up there, right there. It'll be about 10 feet, 9 to 10 feet above the porch, high enough so no one can screw with it. And but I don't want to be climbing ladders to get up there. So what I'm going to do also is mount it on a plank that I've painted the same color as my house. I'll mount the plank up there. It also provides me the ability to run the cord down the side of it so it's not visible to an intruder, a potential intruder. And I've already drilled the hole here using my electric drill in order to put the plug through to the room, the kitchen next door, and then hook it in. So I don't have to worry about having outlets out here. I can just do that. So let's go ahead and get the show on the road here. Show you how I'm doing it anyway. Okay, now let's move this back here like this. Get this as close there, like that. Okay, now I've already checked the visual on this, and I'm very happy with it. Okay, and I'm going to leave just enough room so I can poke my thing through there. Okay? Now, what I need to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some screws in here in order to secure this. Okay, so here we go. Okay. And I'm going to use wood screws. And I'll show you in a minute. Okay, first thing you're going to do here is you're going to see if this is the right screw is the screwdriver is the right size. So all you do is you just put the screw into the bit and see if it's the right size. It is. So that's good. So the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and start drilling these in there so that I can go ahead and once I get it mounted up, it'll be a quick screw through. So let me get my bench out here, my workbench.